skills I've acquired over a very long career. Skills that make me a nightmare for people like you.
Richie Mac Mix.
Ready or not, here I come. You can't hide.
The greatest trick the devil ever pulled was convincing the world he didn't exist.
Oh, yes.
Visualizing the realism of life and actuality. Who's the baddest? A person's status depends on salary. And my mentality is money orientated. I'm destined to live the dream for all my peeps who never made it. Cause yeah, we were beginners in the hood as 5%. But something must have got in us. Cause all of us turned to sinners. Now some resting in peace and some are sitting in San Quentin. Others such as myself are trying to carry.
Get the fuck up. Get the fuck up. Get the fuck up. What up, Zoom Tribe? You know I had to cook up something hot out the stove for y'all. Keep them DJ skills on point. The Patreon's blowing up. Shout out to all my Patreon members. I'm serving up something pretty much every day on the Patreon now. Doing live streams just for them. Interacting and commenting back and forth. We having a ball on the Patreon. But today, I'm going to give you guys what my subscribers always ask for. A day in the life. Just seeing what life is like in Thailand on a regular day. You know I always say the best part of the episodes till the end. So if you watch to the entire video, you might get a little more than you expected. And shout out to my Zoom Fest people. You guys have been tapping in with your deposits and reservations and consultations. Hopefully we'll be sold out before the prices go up. Y'all got to the end of February to pay your packages off and take advantage of the discount. All right, enough of that. First, I gotta start my day at Suni's Barbershop. A trip to Suni's shop is also part of the Zoom Fest packages.
Zoom Fest 2024.
That's right. This is some of the pampering you'll be getting from Suni when you come to the Zoom Fest 2024. So depending on the package you can get a haircut or the full service. Professional full service. And what else, Suni? What else? What else you gonna do at Zoom Suni 24?
Make your nails sexy.
Hey.
Make everything sexy.
Hey. And by the way, once again, you guys are stealing Suni's staff, and she's pissed. All the women in Thailand, and you guys want to steal her friendly staff. Y'all just greedy. Now it's off to get some gas. And you guys aren't gonna believe this, man. The women out here pump the gas for you. And sometimes the women look good doing it. Do your windows. It's not cop. With a good attitude, clean your stuff. And you're not even allowed to pump your own gas. I've never been to a gas station in Thailand where you pump your own gas, man. So I got her on the front, my man back here on the back. They giving you the full service, man. The full service treatment. Where they do this at, man? They do it with a smile on their face. And for you not so bright people that think everybody in Pattaya does the same thing, yet you've never been to Thailand, I'm glad we're doing a day in the life, because now you get to see what I'm talking about. I'm rolling up into the office to get my golf cart. Let's take a look. Come on, let me y'all say something, Thailand. Shy.
Zoom to Thailand.
Shy.
Zoom to Thailand.
Hey. Oh. What happened? Zoom to Thailand.
Zoom to Thailand.
Hey. Bye-bye, Cop.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. All right, we leaving. We got our card. Thank you so much.
Have a nice
See you. And if you notice, not near one of them got a wedding ring on. And in their own way, especially in the one in the middle, she can get it. Don't listen to these grass-feeding lions. There's beautiful women all over Thailand that are single and are ready for a relationship. All you have to do is be cool and respectful. How hard is that? Then it's off to see Mocha Thai. One of my subscribers / Patreon members / my partner Ronald wanted to meet Mocha Thai, so I decided to bring him on over there, man, and let him shoot his shot. Let's see what happens. Here she is, Mocha Thai. Howdy Cobb, that's Ronald. That's Mocha Thai. Mocha Thai, Swadee Kap. Let me see you in the light, Mocha Thai. I'm good. How are you, baby? Let me say hi. Yeah, well, I gotta see you in the light first. Mocha Thai. Okay, hey. Mocha Thai, that's Ronald. That's Ronald. Yeah. He been wanting to come and see you, so I said I gotta come. Yeah. Oh, you got another Mocha Thai? What? Oh, Swadee Kap. Mocha Thai got a mini Mocha Thai. Mocha Thai part 2.
Yes,
Hey, let me see Mocha Thai too. Hey, Mocha Thai got it. Hey. Song. Hey.
Now y'all know I want to say something, but I can't and I ain't.
All right, baby. He just came to see you, and I wanted to say hi to you and say hello. So he wanted to meet you. So I've been telling him about Mocha Thai. What do you think about Mocha Thai? She's beautiful, huh? She's sweet too. She's very sweet. Yeah.
She's got us on camera.
Yeah. Yeah. Mocha Thai, tell them what you do in the morning. What do you do in the morning?
Walk.
What I tell you?
It depends on when I leave. We start early. Our early is early.
All right, you guys, Travel OG, getting the love connection together with my consultation Patreon member Ron with Mocha Thai. They laughing and shit. That's a good sign. As the sun sets, Thailand transforms into a totally different place. Walking Street comes to life. Soy Bukkao comes to life. The bars and restaurants come to life, and the freaks come out at night. As the day shift people head home, the night shift people get their grind on.
So old, he got 2 cakes.
It's not a forest fire.
Hey! He got 2 cakes. Look at that, they doing the whole 360. Get that 360 on him, Dad. Get that 360 on him, Dad.
Hey, thank you guys so much. I greatly appreciate it. I didn't expect such a great turnout, but hey, I greatly appreciate you guys. Everything that I do, everything that I say, I'm doing my best to make sure that we can all come together as a family and just stay together. You know, we Thais, everybody, Europeans, Indians, Filipinos, everybody.
What about black people?
Come on out here.
What about black people?
Look at the door bar. They nicknamed the Golden Tiger Bar the Black Bar. But hey, I greatly appreciate you guys, man. Make sure you guys go ahead and support all the other black establishments. You know, Cultural Lounge out in Jumps in.
Yes, sir.
Flex Club, Kicking Chicken. Got a couple. Tree Time, Weed Shop. We got some more restaurants opening up. Some guys are gonna let me know. We got Chef Jay. He got some new spots opening up. So you guys make sure you go out there and support them. And please continue to support.
What about Zoom to Thailand? I can't get no love.
Hey, man, Zoom to Thailand, man. You did. Also, guys, we got some charity events coming up on this Friday. We also have another birthday party coming up with my sister Jay. She's gonna be out here with our birthday party coming up soon.
Friday.
Hey, thank you guys so much for blow it out.
Blow the whistle.
Pretty girls in the VIP, blow the whistle. Pretty girls in the VIP, blow the whistle. Pretty girls in the VIP, blow the whistle. Pretty girls in the VIP, blow the whistle. Pretty girls in the VIP, blow the whistle. Pretty girls in the VIP, blow the whistle. Pretty girls in the VIP, blow the whistle. Pretty girls in the VIP.
Good to see you too, brother. All right, brother. Nice to meet you.
Richie, man.
What's up, brother?
You know I had to come see you, man.
Hey, Lafayette, Louisiana.
You know what's up?
You understand me? Hey.
OG's been here since 2004.
Oh, yeah,
But
you
Patty,
are.
I was a secret. When it was a secret, now we blown all up.
You is an OG.
You know what I'm saying?
You're a real old 2004. I couldn't spell Thailand in 2004.
So, you got people like you, Richie Mack, making it famous. They don't know what they're missing.
They don't. We try to tell
Hey
them.
man, black men like you that inspire me, man, and let me know it's a lot more going on out here in the world besides Chicago, the south side, the west side, the north side, where the fuck you from. It's a whole world out here, man. This whole room full of black people, just full of people from all different cultures, different backgrounds, setups, everything. Whatever problems, whatever, man, get out here, man, see the world. It's a whole world out there, man. This man inspired me, man. You understand me? I'm a big follower of his channel, man, and he's one of the main reasons why I came out here, and I didn't even know I was going to run into him. You know, because I ain't no stalker, you know what I'm saying? I ain't no groupie. I just happened to be at the same spot, and I saw him walk in, and I waited for a while, too. I said, I'm going to let him get in here for about an hour, and then I'm going to say something to him. Hopefully he ain't too up out here. And here I am right now.
You can't, brother. So love you too. Yeah.
So there you have it. Another day in the life in Thailand. I don't get out that much, but when I do, I love to see how people from all over the world can come together and just chill. In theory, it's a very simple concept, but from where we're from, it's highly irregular. But in Thailand, you get to hit the reset button. You don't have to have your guard up 24/7, no need for flossing and flexing. You can just be you. The one thing I do agree with the dating coaches is, if you're an a-hole and you travel to another place, you're still going to be an a-hole just in another place. So my suggestion is that you travelers and future travelers do not bring a bunch of unnecessary attention to yourself. It makes you look like a straight cornball. Just blend into the scenery and fall in line with the culture. If you can't do that, this isn't the place for you. But if you want to live stress-free and be around a cooperative culture, live at an affordable, fair price, book a consultation with the Travel OG. I can help get you set up. Also, please hit the like button on your way out and the subscription button on the way in and notification bell to keep you notified when I drop another one. Alright, I gotta get home and finish editing the video you're watching right now. You can show your appreciation for the work I'm putting in for you guys by joining the Patreon. Membership start at $5 for the basic support tier, but if you want to see the banned from TV content, you definitely want to join the Zoom After Dark tier. Patreon members will also receive discounts on the Zoom Fest 2024 celebration edition, as well as future discounts on 90-minute consultations. So what are you waiting for? Join the Patreon, share these videos, bang the notification bell, and become part of the Zoom tribe. All right, you guys, this is one of my consultations that actually bought the condo in my building. I didn't know if you wanted me to say that. We neighbors?
Yes.
How we become neighbors?
You moved in.
Did the consultation, we looked for properties. He liked the one in my building. Next thing you know, here we go. You can't make this up.
That's right.
You cannot make this up.
6 months later, I was back.
Hey, they always come back. They always come back.